There's two places for it to attach. There's only one belt, but two buckles. Bird poop. Here we go. It's Tornado in Finland. A very brutalist architectural design of the station. I like the log ride that goes right by it. Log ride that goes underneath it. This is a very uncommon Intamin inverted coaster. And with the removal of volcano, maybe only like one left in the world. Look at this beautiful view of the water. Parked on a peninsula and sure shows. Oh yay! Through the loop. Love it. Through the station. There you have it. Volcano, it's going. Oh, please. Thank you. Cool.